Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you how to download PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds for PC for free. So before we start the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, let's get started. So this version of PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds is the mobile version which runs with an emulator on the laptop. Also, this one is the official emulator that Tencent has officially released, and other than it just being free, it is also more optimized and also runs better on low-end systems. So if you have a low-end system or you just want to play the game for free, you can use this method to download PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds and you can play it on your PC or laptop. So the first step to download the game is to open up a web browser and go to this link. So I'll put the link in the description so you can just open it from there and you'll come onto this website. So from here, scroll down and click on download, and then it'll open up another link. After that, just click on start download and it'll start the download. After you have this, just open the file up, it's only 8 MB, and click on open, click on yes, and then from here click on customize if you want to change the location, and then from here click on install, and then it should download and install the Tencent Gaming Buddy launcher. After it's done installing, just click on start and then it'll open up the launcher. After the launcher opens up, it'll directly download PUBG Mobile, and after it does that, you can just open it up and you can play the game. So now I'll be back once this game is finished downloading. So after the game is downloaded, it'll install itself and then it'll open up automatically. So after the game is opened up, it'll look something like this, and then if you want to full screen it, you can just click on this and then you can sign in into your account and you can play PUBG Mobile on your laptop for free. So that's it for the video guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.